Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, it's been 5 months, 6 months, half a year. It's been a while since I've filmed. I don't know. Sometimes you just need time to get your life together, and don't mind Sugar Baby sitting right there. That's my little bear. But anyways, yeah, I just needed some time to get my life, and I still haven't got my life, so I just decided to go ahead and film. I feel so weird. I feel so weird talking to the camera. It's been so long. I just got back from vacation Sunday, and I was gone to Florida for a whole entire week, and I was so blessed to be able to take my whole entire family on vacation, and it was 12 of us, I believe, or 13 or 14. I don't know. It was a bunch of us. Sorry if the lighting is wonky because I'm using natural daylight. I didn't want to set up a ring light or anything like that, so I just thought that I would film a what's in my travel makeup case. And if you want to see what I bring with me makeup wise when I travel, then let's jump right into the video. What I took on vacation. I got this bag from Target. It was $24.99 or $25.99 or $29.99. If I can find it, I will link it down below if you like it. If not, then, you know, whatever. But it's a pretty good size bag. I love it because this makes me control my situation. This makes me say, Miranda, you don't need everything in your makeup collection going with you. You don't need all that. All you need is what can fit in this bag. And what fits in this bag is what you're taking. So anyways, you open this little pouch up like these. And there's 3 sections. You have, oh, something's falling out. Oh my God. Already messing up. I forgot to close the lipstick compartment back. Okay, let's try it again. You have 3 compartments. You have this one, you have this piece right here, and then you have this pouch, and then you have this pouch right here. So we're going to start with probably, So we're going to start with this pouch right here, and I'm just going to take out everything and show you pouch by pouch what I took and why I took it. Also, before we get started, I bought this brush case from Target as well. I'll link it down below if I can find it, but I did buy this last year. It is from the brand Sonia Kashuk, and Morphe has one like this. However, I was in Target and I seen this and I was like, oh cool, and it snaps on the side and you have your brushes. So this is, I only took a few brushes because I knew I was going to be in and out of the ocean and I didn't need a lot of brushes. So anyways, I just took a few brushes, and then I also took my handy dandy fan, of course, to set my face with. I did take this, however, of course, it didn't fit my makeup bag. I took this, I got this off Amazon for, I think, $13 or $10. If I can find it, I will link it down below as well. Just check the description box for anything that you may want. And I also took the Morphe setting spray, but I'm out of it. I will, again, link it down below if I can find it. So now, moving on. The first pouch here is basically my, basically it's my bronzer and loose setting powders, and just some miscellaneous things. I did take the Equate Beauty. This is the oil-free eye makeup remover. This right here is really good if you have like waterproof makeup on or anything like that. This is super good. It will literally take everything off your face. This little doohickey, it's not a mosquito bug band. It's just a hair tie. These new things that's come out, they're really cool. I love them because it keeps my hair from breaking. The next thing in here I have, and this stuff is just sporadic, okay? It's not like in any type of order. I do want to mention these 2 primer waters that I got. I got these also. It was either Walmart. Yeah, I believe it was Walmart. This is the coconut and the rose water. This is basically just the Wet n Wild Photo Focus 3-in-1 primer water. It's good to prime your face before makeup or to set your face. But I didn't wear a lot of makeup. I only wore makeup 1 day out of the 7 days that we were down there. I know, shocker, right? And basically what I used this for was to soothe my face. Honey, when I tell you I got burnt, and I did use the SPF. I did use sunscreen, so don't come for me because I didn't send for you. My skin was absolutely horrible. I burned so bad. I think everybody down there, my nieces and nephews, we all got 2nd-degree burns. It was that bad. We blistered. It's absolutely horrible. So coming out of the shower and then spraying this on my face along with some oil, putting some oil on my face, because my face, it felt like leather. It was so like, it was just weird. I didn't like the way it felt after the burn had like after, like on the second day of the burn, when stuff was starting to like harden and stuff, my skin literally felt like leather. It was absolutely horrible. So this was so good and soothing to me, because my face, you could feel the heat, you know, like whenever you get a burn, you could feel the heat like coming from my body. So I would spray these for relief. And then I also have the cucumber one, but this is the coconut and this is the rose. Wet n Wild, $3 or $4 from Walmart. They're absolutely good. Like I said, they're primer waters, but you can set, you can prime. It's 3-in-1. It was good. I have my tried and true Maybelline Fit Me powders. This one in 01 Fair Light, I believe it is. Fair Light, yeah. 01. Girl, bye, that says 10. This one in shade 10 is just what I use to like set under my eye if I'm wearing makeup. And this one is the shade 30 medium deep. And this is what I use all over my face. It's at my face. Again, $5 at Walmart or Target. Wet n Wild, Maybelline, they are amazing and I stand by them wholeheartedly. I think I took 3 bronzers total with me. Have the Morphe Celebutante bronzer, which you guys already know what it looks like, an oldie but goodie, tried and true. And then I got the Kai bronzer that I purchased, I think it was Memorial, we haven't even had Memorial Day this year. Labor Day? No, yeah, we had whatever holiday is in May besides Mother's Day. I purchased it then, and this right here is what it looks like. And to be honest with you, if it wasn't a sale, I probably wouldn't have got it. And even now, I don't like it. Like I feel like I have to scrape my brush in here to get any payoff. I don't like this bronzer at all. Also in this pouch, you will find 2 highlighters. This is the Wet n Wild, again, Wet n Wild Hustle and Glow. This right here is a beautiful highlight. $3 or $4. I didn't use it, obvi. I always take too much stuff that I end up not using anyway. This is the one that I use. This is probably my favorite highlighter of all times. This beats my MAC Whisper of Guilt. This is absolutely my favorite highlighter. When I run out, I will repurchase it. It is the Ofra X Nikki Tutorials Everglow highlighter, and you have the 3 samples here. Honey, when I tell you that these are blinding, they speak for themselves. Ofra X Nikki Tutorials. And then in this pouch also, I just took 2 small eyeshadow palettes with me. And the first one here is the Butter London palette that I received in BoxyCharm last month. And you guys, if you got BoxyCharm, you know what it looks like. It looks like this, which I did not use this on myself. I did use a few of these shades. I used this one right here, this one, and this one, these 3 right here on my sister. I did her makeup the night we went out for our family dinner, and I used those 3 shades on her. And then I have my tried and true MAC Modern Mandarin blush. I take this with me everywhere I go. It is so old, I need a new one, but if I got this one, I'm gonna keep using it until I hit pan. And I haven't hit pan yet. And the final eyeshadow palette, like I said, I only took 2, is the Natasha Denona Mini Star palette. And I got this from Sephora for $25, and it looks like this. And this is what I used on my eyes the night that we went out for our family dinner. I used these, this one, and this one on the bottom here. And I just did a simple little eye makeup look. And yeah, that is all that is in this first pouch right here. Moving on to this one right here. This holds a lot of makeup, you guys. This is all like my lip products and my primer and my brow products because they were small. Okay, so for lip products in this right here, in this pouch, I have these 3, which I never leave home without. This is the KKW Beauty. A lot of people don't like Kim Kardashian. You know, I don't really care for anything like that either, but her makeup is bomb. Nude number 2 lip liner, along with the KKW Beauty lipstick in the shade nude as well, or shade 2. And then these 2 Ultra Easy lip liner pencils, I got these at my local hair and wig shop here in North Carolina where I live. They were $1.99. That's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. I really like it. This is Steve Laurent lip gloss, and this is just in the shade Champagne. I believe I did receive this in BoxyCharm in April or May, I'm not sure. Don't hold me to it. Also, I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel that I also take with me to set my brows. I have 2 razors that I took with me because I shave my face and shave my mustache and all that good stuff. I bought 2 brow products with me, and I brought the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade, it's dark brown, and I bought the Goof Proof Benefit Brow Pencil, and we all know it looks like this. And then for pore fillers, these are the two that I swear by. This is the Baby Skin Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser. It's a clear formula. It's amazing. This right here is a little bit more pricey. This is $5 at Walmart. This right here, the small sample size, is $12 at Sephora. This is the Benefit Professional. I brought two also concealers, which I only used one. I used the Fenty on my sister that night, and I used the Tarte Shape Tape on myself. That is not focused, but oh well. So I did bring these two. So I bought three nudes. The KKW, I bought the Kylie Jenner. This is Kylie's nude in Exposed. This is her liquid lip, which I did not wear. I bought Fenty Beauty, the Unbutton With Me, which this is the one that I wore. And then I bought the ColourPop X Makeup Shayla lipstick in the shade, ooh. That's literally what it's called. If you don't believe me, look. Is it focusing? Is it focused? Ooh. This right here is the Lily Lash Glue. You always need lash glue wherever you go if you're wearing lashes. And then this is the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip. And it is in the shade Love Bite. And it just like this. This right here was $4 from Walmart. I did bring the Ofra. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Spell, and it looks like that. I had an orange romper, and it was like multicolored, so it was super cute. So I thought, oh, maybe this or this. This is the Kathleen Lights X ColourPop Liquid Lip in the shade Revere. So that emptied out the second pouch. Then on the back of the second pouch here, you just have like a little essential like little tiny pouch. And what I put in here, as you can see, I put my scissors. Please stay back. So right here I have my scissors, because anytime you have lashes you need scissors, because you need to cut them to your eye. Number one rule, always have your scissors with your lashes. Always, always, always. This is just some MAC Giga Black mascara that I bought with me. This is a bullet brush that I did not use. This is the Anastasia brow pencil. Right here it's got the super short, I don't know if you can see it. You can't see it, I suck. And then a pair of tweezers. You always need tweezers. This is just a MAC eye kohl, black eye kohl, because you have to, or you need to tight line your upper lash line whenever you put lashes on. And then this right here is my Morphe 510 highlighting brush. This is my Holy Grail highlighting brush, okay? And last but not least, this one doesn't have a lot in it. This right here is basically all of my foundations and my lashes. Oh, one more lipstick, I'm sorry. This is the Morphe Liquid Lip in the shade Peanut. It is a real pretty color. Morphe has some beautiful, beautiful lipsticks. Liquid lipsticks, but I didn't use it. This is the oil that I said that I used on my face after I got out of the shower when I felt like leather face. This is from Milani, and this is their Prep and Smooth Camellia Face Oil. It is amazing. Three bronzers I showed you two. The third one is my Anastasia bronzer. This is in the shade Saddle. This is an oldie but goodie. You guys have seen this before in all of my makeup tutorials. And then for foundation, I only bought three foundations, and I bought one skin tint with me. So this one is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is the Stay in Place makeup, and it is in the shade 5W1 Bronze. So I brought the two Fenty Beauty foundations. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. The darker one is in the shade 360, and the lighter one is in the shade 280. This is my all year round shade, and this is my shade when I'm dark and got a good tan going on. And then this right here, I absolutely love this. If I didn't say it enough, I love this. This is the Lancome Skin Feels So Good. This is the hydrating skin tint. I bought this last year. When I put it on, it feels like I'm just putting moisturizer on. It's that thin. It doesn't feel heavy on the face. I can still see all my freckles. I can still see my skin through this, and this is why I love it. It's literally like moisturizer, but it has a tint to it, if that makes any sense. I believe it was kind of pricey. If I can find it, well, I'm sure I can find it at Sephora. I will link it down below. If you guys want an alternative that's not full coverage, that don't look like makeup, that looks like your skin, but better, I will link this down below. The Lancome Feels So Good skin tint. I think it was like $48 or something like that at Ulta or Sephora. You guys, it's worth it, especially for you guys who want makeup but don't really wear makeup, you know what I mean? I also took this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder with me. I didn't use it. It was another highlighter. Like I said, I'm so in love with the Nikki tutorials. Everglow, I think, is that what it's called? Yeah, Everglow highlighter. I also took MAC Whisper of Guilt because you can never go wrong with this. However, oh, and look what happens. For this being MAC, why does that fall out? This is a $40 highlighter. Why does it do that? That's bull. I'm still going to use it though. Oh God, why did I just... Anyways, I'm going to put it up. I'm still going to use it, but that's just bull crap. MAC. Want my money back. I also took this Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask that I got in my BoxyCharm, I think in April or May. I really, really, really like this, or it might have been earlier months. I don't know. I took that, and then I took one sponge. You guys don't judge me because I haven't cleaned it and it's so disgusting. Okay, it's literally disgusting. This is a Juno and Company sponge. This is their little pink velvet sponge, and of course you get it wet, and you guys know the drill with the sponge, and it expands, and it is amazing, and it applies your foundation so seamlessly. Then the last thing that is here in this package is my lash case and my lashes that I got from the like beauty store, hair store here in North Carolina where I live. This is the multi-angle and volume lightweight chic. Is it Chic 3D or Chic? I don't know. Chic 3D. This literally, guys, $3.99 or $2.99 would replace my Lily Lash and my Amy lashes. That's how much I love these. I would cancel my subscription to Lily Lash just like that and just always go buy these $3 lashes, because I'm gonna tell you why. You can get you a case. I got this. I can't remember where I got this, but anyway, they have lash cases anywhere. You can just always keep your lashes. I wore these, I paid $3 for them, and I wore them already like 4 or 5 times. I mean, why not? Love them. So anyways, that is everything that was in my travel makeup case, and now it's all here on my floor and I have to put it all away. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will try to link the products that I mentioned that I said I would link down below. I would link them down below because I believe that they're worth you buying. That was good. And yeah, I hope it's not 5 or 6 more months before I film again. I'm trying to get back in the habit and swing of filming. I love filming, don't get me wrong. I don't know, I can make every excuse in the world, so I'm just not even going to say anything. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, be nice to me and still give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I'm at 170 subscribers. That's crazy because I thought I would never see 30 subscribers. But I mean, that's not a lot compared to the people who have millions and thousands and hundreds of thousands of subscribers. But hit the little notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you in my next video.